Students, welcome to a new subject called as Power Generation Technologies or PGTs. Its subject code is 203141. Okay, so this is our new subject. We will learn some important topics in this subject, like what is thermal power plants, okay, nuclear power plants, diesel power plants, gas power plants, hydro power plants, wind energy systems, okay, renewable energies, solar energies, and other source and grid. How are the grid connections? Okay, so this is a very basic and important subject in terms of in your electrical engineering. Okay, uh, from exam point of view, there will be online exam of 50 marks, and 50 marks semester exams will be taken. So in total there will be a 100 marks paper, 100 marks. Okay, so as per the subject, it is a very important subject. Okay, you will learn all the basics how actually the power generation takes place. Okay, so in this subject we will learn what is fuel calorific value, what is exactly the calorific value of fuel. Okay, semiconductor materials of PV cells. Okay, how the in renewable energy, how the actually PV cells are means manufactured and distributed. Okay, and some energy calculations are there. So our main objective, this subject's objective will be is to introduce conventional energy conversion system with, okay, steam, hydro based and nuclear based power plants. Okay, to initiate non conventional energy conversion system with solar, wind, fuel cell, tidal, ocean, geothermal and biomass. We will also look this tidal, ocean, geothermal, biomass types of plants also we will see. To commence interconnection of energy source to grid. Okay, how the energy is actually connected with the grid and standalone and hydro hybrid systems. Okay, what are our course outcomes? So so after once we will finish this subject, we should be able to identify operations of thermal power plants, how actually the power plants are operated with all accessories, and how actually the operating cycle is. Be aware of the principle of operation, operation principle, components, layouts, locations, environments, and require and some other types of details. Okay, um, and these are some we will learn how the solar energy is used and how actually it is generated, how it is transmitted. Okay, so read down this uh, program outcomes. Okay, we will learn how exactly the this subject is means affect our electrical engineering. So in the first unit there will be a we will learn what is thermal power plants. What actually is the thermal power plants with means with the help of steams. Okay, steam. Okay, so how actually the fuel is handled, which type of fuel is used, and what we do once the fuel means mostly we will be using here will be coal, right? So the waste coal means the ash. After the completion of the process there will be lot of ash remained. Okay, so how that ash will be handled, ash disposal and dust collection. Okay, next unit will be nuclear power plant. Okay, which type of nuclear material is used, or which element is used, atomic number. Okay, nuclear reaction, how it actually reacts, and all the other important parts of nuclear power plant. Similarly, diesel power plant, gas power plants are there. Okay, next one is important is the hydro power plant, how with the help of water how we generate the electricity. Okay, there will be turbine sections will be there, dams are there, types of dams, spillways. Okay, small according to its size the hydro power plants are developed, and what are its advantages, disadvantages. Similarly, wind energy. Okay, how wind power plants, windmills are operated. okay, its history, how power is generated, how wind pattern, according to the wind patterns also the power is generated. Next one is solar energy, most important, right? How actually the it's called as power photovoltaic PV cells, which technologies are used in this, okay, what exactly, how it actually represent in terms of graphs and curves, okay. So these are the, in unit 5 we will learn solar energy, okay, and some other source and grid connections, okay, which other source like biomass, when biomass energy is used there, how waste energy is converted, okay, fuel cells are there. And you can refer this textbook like PK Nag, Power Plant Engineering, Tata Mcgraw Hill's publications, Dr. PC Sharma, okay, I am also referring this Dr. PC Sharma, Power Plant Engineering, a very good book, okay. You can refer any of the book, and you can also refer the online content, okay. You can search on Google how exactly any kind of power plant is worked, okay. We will learn how, which are the major power plants, and total hydroelectric power plants, nuclear power plant, and all the power plants in Maharashtra as well as all the India, okay. So you can refer these textbooks, okay. Reference books are also there, okay. So in this the subject is very simple, okay. All the theoretical parts are there, and some in wind section, okay, there will be some formulas and all that, but they are very simple, okay. So with this topic, means with this subject, you will learn all the, how actually the power is generated, okay, how actually the fuel it's handling, and how the fuel is actually used for generating the energy, okay, in thermal power plants, how actually the water, with the help of water, how is the energy is, electricity is generated, generation is there. The whole layout I will be showing you in the in our next videos, okay. In the next video I will start with the thermal power plant, okay. In that, the basic thermodynamic cycle is there. In physics you must have learned what is thermodynamic cycle, okay. I'll explain all this topic, like Rankine cycle is there, okay. Rankine Reed cycle, Carnot cycle is there, what is heat rate, thermal power plant, all its basic parts and its working, okay. Fuel handling and all the topic. This is a very simple topic. I think in 2 or 3 videos I will finish the first unit, okay. So no need to worry about all the all the other um, units also, they are very simple. And if you have any textbook out of this, as shown, let's see this, okay, books. If you have, you can also search on Google, like power plant engineering PDF, okay. You can download that and refer that also, okay. So all this subject is mostly the theory part. This subject is mostly a theoretical part, so no need to worry, okay. If you write this subject in any question, any of the question comes, then if you write in points, okay, then you can then the examiner will easily understand what you want to tell about any topic, okay. So no need to worry, we will cover most of the topics, okay, with examples. I'll show with examples, okay. So that's all for this video. We will start our first unit in the next video, okay. So thank you for watching.